I'm appealing all other students to come over here and watch the dance, the raising dance. Our girls are performing. With their beautiful costume, with their beautiful act. Under the guidance of PT teacher Bhalavi madam, the girls have prepared their blazing dance and they are performing here, and you all are watching how nicely they are performing their blazing dance with their steps, everything, with their costume.
कोवळी नार रूप अरुवार गोमटी भार देह सुकुमारस की साजनी ही कशी अनोखा पहर जळाशी लहर विलावे जहर आठही पहर खडी खंजिरी ही कशी चमकती बिजली सोन सरी ही किती सावळी थजली रुपयामध्ये भिजली ही अशी रूप तारका जणू चित्त चोर नायिका नवदेवी अलबेली
After this dance, Arpit Agrawal, be ready with your poem. And I am telling him to come over here without any delay.